ಹಾಯ್, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ನಾನು 3 ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUC ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 45ವರೆಗೂ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 46ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಇಫ್ A and B are two events such that P of A 0.3, P of B 0.6 and P of B conditional A 0.5, then only P of A conditional B is what? P of A conditional B ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಟ್ P of B conditional A ಅಂದ್ರೆ P of A intersection B divided by P of A. Therefore, P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B conditional A. P of A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ 0.3 into P of B conditional A is 0.5 is equal to 0.13. Sorry, 15. Then only probability of A conditional B is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by P of B. 0.15 divided by P of B 0.6. 15 divided by 60. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನು ನೋಡಿದಾರೆ, ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. 15 ones are 15 fours are, that's equal to 1/4 is the probability. Third option is the right answer. ಇಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಆಮೇಲೆ P of A ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ B ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 47. If A and B are mutually exclusive events, mutually exclusive events ಅಂದ್ರೆ probability of A intersection B is 0. Mutually exclusive events. P of B not equal to 1. P of A conditional B bar is equal to P of A intersection B bar divided by P of B bar. P of A intersection B bar ಅಂದ್ರೆ P of A minus P of A intersection B divided by P of B bar. Mutually exclusive ಅಂತಾನೆ, that's equal to P of A minus 0 divided by 1 minus P of B. P of A divided by 1 minus P of B. 1 minus P of B. Fourth option is the right answer. Because P of A intersection B is 0. That is P of A conditional B bar. Mentally, P of A divided by 1 minus P of B when A and B are mutually exclusive events. Next, question number 48. E1, E2 are events of a sample space such that P of E1 is 1/4, P of E2 conditional E1 is 1/2, P of E1 conditional E2 is 1/4, then only P of E1 conditional E2 plus P of E1 conditional E2 bar is P of E1 conditional E2 plus P of E1 conditional E2 bar is equal to P of E1 conditional E2 1/4 plus P of is equal to what? E1 intersection E2 bar divided by P of E2 bar. That's equal to 1 by 4 plus P of E1 minus P of E1 intersection E2 divided by 1 minus P of E2. That's equal to 1 by 4 plus P of E1 minus P of E1 into P of E2 divided by 1 minus P of E2. 1 by 4 plus P of E1 common tagaದ್ರೆ 1 minus P of E2 divided by 1 minus P of E2. These two cancel. 1 by 4 plus P of E1, 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Its answer is 1 by 2. Third option is the right answer because P of E1 into P of E2 is replaced by P of E1 into E2 because E1, E2 events of a sample space, E1, E2 are independent events. E1, E2 are independent events, therefore 1 by 4 P of E2 is equal to 1 by 4. Only 1 by 4 common tagdidine, therefore 1 by 4 common tagakkina P of E1 common tagdre 1 minus P of E2 divided by 1 minus P of E2 cancel. Therefore 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Question number 49. Suppose E and F are two events of a random experiment. If the probability of an occurrence of E1, probability of E 1 by 5 and the probability of occurrence of F is given by, and the probability of F conditional E is 1 by 10, then the probability of non-occurrence of at least one of the events, then only probability of E intersection F whole complement is what? Probability of E intersection F whole complement andre 1 minus probability of A intersection, E intersection F. Probability of E intersection F. It's equal to 1 minus probability of E intersection F andre probability of E into probability of F conditional E. That's equal to 1 minus probability of E 1 by 5 into 1 by 10 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 50. Andre 49 by 50 is the answer. 49 by 50 is the third option. It is the formula. Probability of E intersection F. Question number 50. A and B two events such that P of A is greater than 0, P of B not equal to 1, then the conditional probability P of A bar intersection conditional B bar is what? Probability of A bar conditional B bar andre probability of A bar intersection B bar divided by probability of B bar. Probability of A union B whole bar divided by 1 minus P of B. It is 1 minus P of A union B divided by 1 minus P of B. 1 minus P of A union B divided by 1 minus B. It is the second option is the right answer. Nodi, the formula. Their intersection whole complement. Next, question number 51. If E1, E2, E3 are independent events, E1, E2, E3 are independent events. Probability of E1 intersection E2 bar intersection E3 bar ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ 1/4 and probability of E1 bar intersection E2 bar intersection E3 bar ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1/4. then only P of E1 is what? but ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ, we know that P of E1 intersection E2 bar intersection E3 bar plus P of E1 bar intersection E2 bar intersection E3 bar is equal to P of E2 bar intersection E3 bar. E2 bar intersection E3 bar andre therefore probability of E2 bar intersection E3 bar is equal to 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 1/2. 1/2. But probability of E1 intersection E2 bar intersection E3 bar is equal to P of E1 into P of E2 bar intersection E3 bar. ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ 1/4 is equal to P of E2 ಬೇಕು, E1 ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ, into ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1/2. 2 ones are 2 2s are implies P of E1 is equal to 1/2. P of E1 is equal to 1/2 first option. That is question number 51. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. question number 52. ಇದು ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಇದೆ. P of E2 ಕಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಂದರೆ P of E1 intersection E2 E3 is equal to P of E1 bar intersection E2 intersection E3 bar plus P of E1 bar intersection E2 bar intersection E3 bar. Its value 1/8 into 1/4. 1/8 into 1/4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1/32. But P of E1 bar intersection E2 intersection E3 bar is equal to P of E2 into P of E1 bar intersection E3 bar. Its value 1/8 is equal to P of E2 into this one is 1/32. 8 ones are 8 fours are. E2 1/8 1/4. ಸಾರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆದರೆ 8 LCM 1 plus 2 is equal to 3/8. It is 3/8. 8 cancel implies P of E2 is equal to 1/3. P of E2 1/3. Second option is the right answer. Careful ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್. Therefore 3/8. Next question number 53. Let A and B two events such that the probability of A union B whole complement is 1/6. Probability of A intersection B 1/4. And probability of A bar 1/4. A bar stands for complement of the event A. Then A and B are. Then A and B are. Probability of A union B whole complement is equal to 1/6 andre implies 1 minus P of A union B is equal to 1/6 implies P of A union B is equal to 1 minus 1/6 5/6. 5/6. ಇದು 5/6 ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Its value is 5 by 6 is equal to P of A 1 minus 1 by 4 plus P of B kottilla minus P of A intersection B 1 by 4. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to P of B. Therefore, P of B is equal to 12 LCM 2 into 5 10 minus 3 into 3 9 plus 3 is equal to 4 by 12 is equal to 1 by 3. P of B 1 by 3 and P of A 3 by 4. P of A into P of B 1 by 3 into 3 by 4 andre 1 by 4 is equal to P of A intersection B kottidane. Therefore, P of A into P of B is equal to P of A intersection B andre they are independent events but not equally likely. They are not equal, and P of A is not equal to P of B, not equally likely. Therefore, third option is the right answer. Andre independent but not equally likely. Careful about it. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್, ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್, ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ಲಿ, mutually exclusive and independent antane. But third option, independent events but not equally likely. Question number 54. If the probability of A to fail in one examination, probability of A fail in one examination is 0.2, hage probability of B fail in one examination is 0.3, and they are independent events. They are independent. Therefore, P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B is equal to 0.2 into 0.3 is equal to 0.06. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, then the probability that either A or B fails, probability of either A or B fails andre P of A union B, P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of A 0.2 0.3 minus 0.06, 0.5 minus 0.06 0.44, 0.44. Third option is the right answer. Question number 55. The probability that A speaks truth is 4 by 5. P of A, truth 4 by 5. Probability, while the probability of B is equal to 3 by 4. The probability that they contradict each other when asked to speak on a fact, andre they are disjoint. Therefore, avanu kelta irodu probability of A intersection B complement union of probability of A complement intersection B is what? Probability of A intersection B complement union probability of A complement intersection B is equal to P of A intersection B complement plus P of A complement intersection B, because they are independent events. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬನು ಅವನ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಇಬ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Therefore, P of A into P of B complement plus P of A complement into P of B. P of A 4 by 5 into P of B complement 1 minus 3 by 4 plus 1 minus 4 by 5 into P of B 3 by 4. 4 by 5 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 into 3 by 4. 20 LCM 4 plus 3, that's equal to 7 by 20. 7 by 20 is the third option. Nodi, probability of A complement 4 by 5, probability of B is 3 by 4. avanu keltane eno, the probability that they contradict each other when asked to speak on a fact, that is the only A intersection B and A dash intersection B, both are disjoint. Therefore, that answer is 7 by 20. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಮುಗೀತು. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು NCERT ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ. NCERT ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. NCERT ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪ್ಲರ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾಳೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.